Hey guys, another beautiful morning. Will be very hot today. For Dutch norms, like 31 degrees, way too hot. But I'm escaping to the lake. The lake you've seen, guys. Look how quiet the water is today. Alright, I'm already exhausted. Small hot boat inside. Oh, and I'm having a good coffee. This is another thing of smile and wave. Hey guys, did you know? It worked! The smile and wave. Here we go again, it's getting a habit. Our beloved Amsterdam Rhine channel. I'm always so scared when I'm here, like there's just any margin for an error. Small mistakes lead to dangerous situations here, like it's only a kilometer but it's not easy. We got 2 speedos coming. 3. Not really loud. Looks fun. Ah, nice. Ah. I was again all the time editing inside. It's so hot. I was really concentrating. Didn't notice how hot it was. And it's so refreshing now. Look at the other boats. The lake is full, getting full with people now. Well, we're doing some editing, and again, such a typical sight. Like, look around there. Every morning again, the Dutch go out for a swim. All the people are basically swimming right after work. That's what they do in Holland. They basically or go kayaking, they take their big canoe and they go swimming. They've got like massive swimming clubs, and then they go to the lake. Okay guys, I was just checked by the police. For a few days they're already seeing this boat anchoring here with the motor outside. They had like an explanation, like I don't know what, but basically, as you guys see there, the police come to check. I was just working on a new video, and while I was laying here, I had somebody knocking. Like, it was the police. The police was passing by. They saw me for 3 days laying here, like, no, it was actually 2 days. And they were wondering if I was in troubles or anything. So the police had to check manually. So basically I stopped my editing session. I think it's awesome. So, there they go. Here we go again. No dinghy, no problem. Okay, it's hard, but maybe last time you noticed it's leaking. And I think that's the hole. So, just a drop of glue should do the job. Well, this is how we survive the hot days. Okay guys, I admit I'm messing around again. But this time, not with you guys. I'm having a friend coming over. I didn't see him like the last 10 years. And now waiting on him. I invited him to come over for a swim. And he actually doesn't know I own a boat. So I'm really wondering, like, we would be swimming here, and I'm really wondering how he would react to that. So, getting ready to move out. Now from this nice anchorage back to Amsterdam, and of course we got visitors on board like always. Woo-ha! One of these big guys behind me. Right at the moment when I need to get over, like after a bridge, that's where I need to get over. I don't like it. This might become a special maneuver. Here he comes. I lowered my speed a little bit. I need to be there. Need to get over. I need to keep some distance from the side, because as you can see, it pulls up big waves. Okay, let's make sure he can pass us. Incredible, all that power behind that ship, all to deliver us our goods. There you go. Wave is coming. And turn before the wave hits us back from the shore. Okay, here we go. Gas. Wow, we made it again! Off the Amsterdam Rhine channel. It always excites me. You don't want to have a motor problem or anything at this place. It's so incredibly dangerous, but good. Yes guys, here we are again, back in Amsterdam. Perfect, now time to get some supplies. That is again, it will be very hot, maybe I go for a hammock again.
But first we quickly drop off our guest. I'll more backstage in the harbor, grab my backpack and the hammock, some groceries and out for the park.
And here we are, tired after a hot day in the hammock.
Thank you so much for watching. As you watched until the end, let me know in the comment. And drop me a like? Of course. See you next time.